Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have for you guys a triple unboxing. I do have the Glam bag to unbox for you guys, the Glam bag plus, and also the refreshments for the month of February. So if you guys would love to see what products I got, definitely continue watching. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I upload 3 times a week, Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, so definitely subscribe so you don't miss out. And let's just go ahead and jump right in. So these products were sent to me by Ipsy and PR. They did send these over for me to unbox for you guys and share with you guys what products you can grab in your monthly subscription boxes. We are going to start off with the little mini subscription box, which this one is the Glam bag, and this one is $12 a month. I really love the bag on this. It's like a little envelope. Look at the bag. It's super cute, and it has this little kiss right there as well. So you just open it up there. It just is one of those ones that you kind of click into. So the first product you get in this bag is the Benefit 24-hour brow setter. I don't really set my eyebrows, to be honest. I only really use like a pencil. I have used like the brow fiber gel as well, but like to actually set the brows, my hairs on my eyebrows are thicker, so I don't really set. I've heard really good things about this for people that have like thinner brows and they just use it to kind of do like the bushy brow look. I know people use this. Next up in here is a eyeshadow duo. This is by the brand, I'm not sure. It says Love You First Perfect Eyeshadow Duo. Here is the packaging there. And let's see what the inside looks like. Oh, it's just a little duo. It has a matte and a shimmer. I think this will be perfect for traveling or someone that doesn't do like outrageous makeup looks. I don't know. Just like for everyday use, I think it's nice. You have a matte shade and a shimmer shade in here. So I'm not going to swatch this just in case I decide to put this in a giveaway. But this is very cute. Next up in here is the one-of-a-kind Porefectionist Refining Facial. It's pink clay with AHA and BHA, so it's supposed to be hydrating. I've never heard of this brand, but a refining facial sounds amazing. I do have pores on my nose and right here as well. Get that little facial treatment there. Next up, I got this Bite Beauty Outburst Longwear Lip Stain in Orange Fizz. Oh wow, this is a very bright red orange color right there. Pretty interesting. Yeah, I do like Bite Beauty lip products. I had a lip cream. They are natural, so they will go bad on you pretty quickly than like most other lipsticks, but I do enjoy the Bite Beauty lip formula. And the last thing in here is this Glam Glow Bright Eyes Illuminating Anti-Fatigue Eye Cream. This is really cute, and I really enjoy using like eye products just because I have the dark circles, and I just like using products that will kind of diminish the dark circles or like brighten the under eyes. Okay, I was like, I can't open this. Doesn't smell like anything, but it does look like a thicker cream. Have you guys used this product? What do you think of it? Let me know. Definitely gonna try this product out. So those are all the products that I did receive in the Glam bag. Next up, I'm gonna talk about this bag here. This is the Refreshments box. This is a subscription bag that you can add to your Glam bag subscription. So you get 2 products. The first product here, oh nice, this is the Luxe 5-Blade Razor Kit. So it comes in this box. What is up? My lighting is not that bright. Okay, so I was actually in the shower the other day and I was like, I need a new razor head. I just need a new razor because I've had mine for a while. I feel like I haven't changed my blade in a while, so this is like perfect timing to receive. So you do get this cute like body. The body of the, oh okay, it has some weight to it. It's not like a cheap one. So it is like green and purple there. And you do get 2 of the replacement heads. And then you also get this where you can hang it on your mirror or anywhere. And then you probably just put it on like this with your razor head. That's pretty cool. So this kind of came like perfect timing for me because I was just thinking I need a new razor. So I'm definitely going to get some use out of this very soon. And then the other product that's in this bag is actually a pillowy shave cream in citrus spritz. I don't actually use shaving creams. Maybe my husband will want to use it, but he doesn't really use shaving creams either. He just shaves his beard sometimes, or kind of like shapes it. What is it called? Just trims, I guess. I don't know. But I don't really use the shaving cream. Maybe now is the time for me to use it. So this came at the perfect time, I'd say, for myself. I definitely needed a new razor, so that is pretty cool that I received one this month. And the last unboxing I'm going to do is going to be my Glam Bag Plus. This does retail for $25 a month, and I believe you get 5 full-size items. So the first product I see in here is this It Cosmetics Heavenly Skin Hugging Foundation Brush number 707. I have only like 1 or 2 It Cosmetic brushes. This has a really interesting brush head. Pretty interesting. So I got that. Next product in here is the Beauty Stat Universal C Skin Refiner. 20% vitamin C, brightens, retexturizes, and firms. I really enjoy vitamin C. It just brightens the skin, and I really enjoy, my camera's going wild, really enjoy vitamin C products, so I think I will definitely get some use out of this. I don't have any vitamin C serums right now that I'm using, so I'm pretty intrigued with this. Again, I really enjoy vitamin C products. Next up in here is this Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. This deeply hydrates, moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation. I don't really have redness on my skin, to be honest. So this is supposed to deeply hydrate, moisturize to reduce redness and signs of irritation. Locks in moisture to prevent water loss. Interesting. Have you guys, what is up with my camera? It doesn't want to focus. I don't know. My camera doesn't want to focus, as you can see. Yeah, this packaging's pretty interesting. Have you guys tried this product out? I've never tried this product out before. So we got 2 more products. Ooh, a MAC Cream Sheen lipstick. This is in the shade Sweet Sakura, and I believe it's going to be like a reddish color. Yes, so it is a reddish color. It kind of looks like it has like slight gold shimmer in it as well. Let me go ahead and swatch this. I do like red lipstick. It looks more like a corally red once I swatched it. Interesting. Yeah, it's a cream sheen, so it's not matte, so that's probably why it has that sheen. Duh, makes sense. So yeah, we got that. And then the last product in here is this matte fluid eye paint by the brand About Face. I did hear that this was a brand from Halsey, which is pretty interesting. I don't really use liquid shadows, but the packaging is kind of cute. I like the packaging a lot. Let's see. Is this a matte? Yeah, it looks like a chocolatey kind of shade. It doesn't smell like anything, but it's pretty pigmented right there. Interesting. I wonder if somebody could use this as like cream bronzer. I don't know. Let's see. So it would definitely be a good like crease, maybe smoky eye look as well. That would be nice actually, yeah. Smoky eye. Again, I don't really work with a lot of cream shadows, but I really do like the packaging on this. It's really, really cute. So those are all the products in my bags. What do you guys think of these products? What have you tested out, or what are products you're excited for that are in these bags? If you're not yet subscribed to Ipsy, I will leave a link down in my description box so you guys can check them out. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please also subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!